Good mid-morning, Chester. It's 9:50 a.m. and we're going to just take a real quick look at pivotal weather and the timing. I know I said about noon till 7 in the morning as far as the rain. Um, I'm looking more like 2 or 3, but I mean, we may have some showers. This is the updraft helicity reflectivity model that I'm showing you right now. And I'm going to zoom in. And if you can see and let me get the draw tool out. The updraft helicity measures the rotation in the thunderstorm. And, that kind of helps meteorologists to determine, whether we're going to have tornadoes or not. It's just one of the factors that they use. Um, so let me get my draw tool out. And basically you see this little black circle right here, and I think we got a little one right there. And that's what they kind of look at, and that's what I look at when I'm trying to figure out where tornadoes are going to be. Um, get back out of that. So that's what we're showing as far as the updraft helicity reflectivity radar. And there's a few other spots that are showing. We might have a few discrete cells, and that's where you might see a tornado, although you could see it in a linear storm. And what I mean by linear is it's going to just be a big line, and you can see right there. And that's about 6 p.m. And it's just right there. It's just a big, let me get a darker color. All right. Just a big line right there of storms that are going to roll in. Um, so this is about 6 p.m. And I see Chester around 5, between 3 and 5. We might have a few showers before then, um, but I'm looking around between 3 and 5 showers starting and probably going all the way until we might have a little stop and a little bit more showers, and then by 7 a.m. As far as showers, we got
Attention, a new special weather statement has
another
been
special
issued.
weather statement. We'll let that get through real quick. All right. So that's what the rain is going to look like and the updraft helicity. The supercell composite, let's back it up till tomorrow or today. And you can see right there, let me zoom in. Let me get my draw tool out. Or I don't have to get it. But right there in the yellow and the blues and the dark areas right there, that's the supercell composite. And if we go to the tornado parameter, it's showing the same areas. And that's just west of Chester. And that is at 3 p.m. Um, and another little area right there at 4 p.m. And it's just really close. It's probably in the St. Genevieve County and the county just west of St. Genevieve. Um, that's when we will have the potential for a tornado uh, later on this afternoon when that thunderstorm starts rolling in. Like I said, around 3 and 5. Uh, I will have live radar, and we'll take a look at that, and I'll go live. So let's go ahead and take a look at our live radar real quick. And this is what we got. We got a few thunderstorms, and a special weather statement just popped up. I believe that is in southern Oklahoma, right there on the border. Yeah, right there on the border of Texas and Oklahoma. A new thunderstorm, special weather statement. And this is what we got right now as of 9:55 this morning. And you see they're rolling in. Let me go ahead and get to the MRMS. There we go. And you can see right there, this is the storms that are popping up all the way up into Missouri. Um, Trying to think where else. Yeah, all the way up to Missouri. Near St. Louis. So we got storms all the way from mid Texas all the way up until around St. Louis, Missouri. Um, as of right now, and like I said, we got one severe thunderstorm warning
Attention.
and
A new
another
special weather statement has been issued.
special weather statement. We'll let that get through. All right. So that's what we are looking at as far as live weather. We'll talk to you guys a little bit later. You have what's considered the best rest of your morning, I guess, because the rest of it's going to look pretty nasty later on. All right, you guys have a good day.